Hello friends, welcome back to lmsl.com. In today's screencast, we will learn about the Moodle plugin named as Static Pages. This Static Pages plugin allows you to create HTML pages within Moodle and turn your Moodle site into a proper CMS like WordPress or Drupal or Joomla. Since Moodle does not contain normal HTML pages, so this Static Pages plugin can help you embed normal HTML pages in Moodle with a URL similar to this, like your moodle.com/static/faq.html. This can be pretty helpful if you would like to create a static piece of information such as FAQs or kind of support page or etc. So let us see in how you can use this Static Pages plugin in your Moodle site. So you can download this plugin from the link given in the description section below, and I will be downloading a compatible version for Moodle 4.3. So let us click download here. And once downloaded, you can go to your Moodle site and then site admin and then plugin and then install plugins. And here you can just drop the plugin which you just downloaded and click on install plugin. It will go through a series of checks, so just click continue and then click continue, click upgrade and click continue. So now we are just install the plugin, and I will leave all the settings as default, so we can change all these settings afterwards also. So let's click save changes button here. Once the installation is finished, you can access the Static Pages plugin link from site admin and then general, and then scroll down at the bottom and you can see this Static Pages. There are 3 items for the Static Pages. First one is the documents, second one is the settings, and then third is the list of static pages. So let us go through one by one. In the documents tab, we can upload a HTML document which will be linked to this Static Pages plugin. Then we can configure the settings which were there during the new plugin installation page, and then we can list down all the HTML pages uploaded through Static Pages plugin on this third link. So let us go to the documents tab first. Here you can see the instructions that it accepts the .html files with static content. So first you need to prepare your own HTML file on your computer which you would like to display in Moodle. So I have created a pretty basic HTML file. I will be just uploading it here. And you need to make sure that the files are named in a way that the same will be added as the URL. So the file which I have added is faq.html. So the plugin will create a URL which will end up in faq.html after my Moodle URL address. So let's click save changes here and see what happens. So it has accepted this document here. Now let us go back to the Static Pages and click this list of static pages, the third option. So you can see that this list shows all the static pages which have been uploaded. So here we have only one file since it is available at this page. And this clean URL is not available because my server is not configured properly in this case. So that is why it is not yet created a clean URL, but still we can access the FAQ page through this link which is already here. So I can add this URL into the top menu navigation so that the learners can go through the FAQ at their own will anytime whenever they would like to, and it will not have any requirement of logging in or having enrollment in specific course or module or any permissions related issues. So this is how you can use this Static Pages plugin in Moodle to create HTML files with image or any other HTML content so that the learners can access them similarly like as in a CMS. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you.